What's up guys, I'm Nafisa Sharma and you are watching Hitlist. In today's episode, we are going to talk about Bollywood celebrities and their injuries. Number 5 पर है Big B. The whole nation came to a standstill when Amitabh Bachchan had an accident on the sets of Coolie in 1983. Apparently, in an action scene, he hurt his abdomen, which led to intestine bleeding. He was soon hospitalized under critical care, but thanks to the entire nation's press, he soon recovered. Number 4 पर है SRK. Now, injuries and SRK are like long lost brothers and sisters. Yes, because he had several amount of injuries. हुआ ये कि in 2009 while shooting for Dulha Mil Gaya, he hurt his shoulder where his ligamento. Then when he was shooting for Shakti, he hurt his back. And then during the shoot of Dawn 2, he again hurt his back and his elbow. Wow! But he bounced back with a bang and he continues to entertain. Number 3 पर है the sexy single talented actor Hrithik Roshan, who hurt his back while shooting for Agnipath, his head while shooting for Bang Bang, but he continued to shoot in spite of having a severe headache. He also underwent a brain surgery in July 2013 for the removal of a blood clot. Number 2 पर है Salman Khan. Now the superstar too went through a lot of injuries. Apparently he hurt his arm while shooting for Wanted. He tore a ligament and then it only got worse while shooting for Dabangg. But what happened is he underwent treatment. A lot of his fans prayed just like me and he too recovered and he gave us another movie like Dabangg 2. Number 1 पर है the खिलाड़ी of Bollywood Akshay Kumar. Now he performs his stunts on his own. ये सबको पता ही है. There's nothing new I'm telling you. Anyways, while shooting for a TV show, he hurt his back. Apparently, the action scene required him to lift up a WWE wrestler goes by the name The Undertaker. He also hurt himself on the sets of Patiala House and then while shooting for Rowdy Rathod, he again hurt himself on his back. Wow! इन्होंने अपने आप को इतनी बार गिरा के मारा है खुद. But the actor came out strong as ever and he continues to remain the खिलाड़ी of Bollywood. And we've come to the end of another episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to log on to our website because we upload a lot of cool videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I go by the name @SharmaNafisa. I'm going to see you guys very soon because apparently I only have Hitlist to shoot for. Bye.